Ever wonder why your emails keep landing in spam? Even when you're doing everything right? You know that aggravating feeling when you craft the perfect message, hit send, and then dead silence? It's like shouting into a tunnel where absolutely no one hears you. That kind of frustration is driving business owners crazy. I've been there. You spend hours writing emails that should convert, only to find them buried in spam folders, while your competitors somehow land right in their primary inbox. It's frustrating. It's expensive. And today we're going to fix this problem once and for all. Let me draw you a vision of what really happens behind the scenes. Every single day, millions of cold emails get sent out by businesses just like yours. But here's the harsh truth that most people don't want to talk about. The majority of these emails never get a chance to be read because they're dying in spam folders and promotional tabs before they can get to do their job. Think about your own inbox for a second. When was the last time you actually checked your spam folder or promotions tab? Exactly. Your potential customers aren't checking it either. So when your carefully crafted sales emails end up there, they might as well not exist at all. But here's the kicker. Every time your email lands in the spam, your sender reputation takes a hit. Email providers like Gmail and Outlook start seeing you as untrustworthy. They begin to expect your emails to be spam, creating this vicious cycle where your future emails are even more likely to get buried. It's like being blacklisted without even knowing it happened. The real cost here isn't just the time you spent writing these emails, it's the leads you're losing, the sales calls that never happened, the deals that go to the competitors who figured out how to land in the inbox. I've seen businesses lose thousands of dollars in potential revenue simply because their emails couldn't reach their target audience. Check this scenario. You've got a calendar full of empty time slots where sales calls should be happening. Your money counter is stuck at 0 while competitors are booking meetings left and right. Your amazing offers mean absolutely nothing if people never get a chance to see it in the first place. But here's where things get really exciting. There's a tool called Warmup Inbox that's been quietly solving this exact problem for smart business owners who refuse to let their emails disappear into digital purgatory. So how does this work? Warmup Inbox essentially tricks email providers into thinking you're a trustworthy sender by automatically warming up your email address. Imagine having a network of over 30,000 real inboxes working together like a secret email society. These genuine accounts send emails back and forth with your address, reply to your messages, star them as important, and most importantly, pull your emails out of the spam folder. The beauty is in the automation. While you're sleeping, this network is busy building your sender reputation. Email providers start recognizing your address as legitimate because real people are engaging with your content. Your spam score drops, your reputation climbs, and suddenly your emails start landing where they belong. But here's what really sets Warmup Inbox apart. They don't just warm up your emails and hope for the best. You get detailed reputation tracking that shows exactly how trustworthy email providers think you are. You can monitor spam scores, check if you're on the blacklist, verify your technical setup with SPF and DKIM records, and get instant alerts if something goes wrong. The setup takes literally minutes. You connect your email address, choose your warm-up settings, and let the system do its magic. No complicated technical knowledge required here. No hours of configuration. Just simple setup and automatic results. Now let's talk about who really benefits from this. If you're a marketer or part of a sales team that's tired of watching your outreach efforts disappear into the void, this is your solution. Your carefully researched prospects will actually see your messages instead of never knowing you tried to reach them. Recruiters absolutely love this because finding quality talent is hard enough without having your job offers vanish into spam folders. When you're competing for the best candidates, you cannot afford to have your opportunities go unseen. Entrepreneurs who depend on cold email for business growth find this game-changing. Whether you're launching a new product, building partnerships, or trying to land your first customer, email is often your primary weapon. Warmup Inbox makes sure that that weapon actually works. If you've ever hit the send on an important email and then found yourself praying it doesn't vanish into the digital abyss, this tool is specifically designed for you. No more crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. Let me show you the transformation that happens when you start using Warmup Inbox properly. Before you implement this system, your emails are essentially invisible. Your inbox reputation is damaged. you're getting 0 replies. And your outreach campaigns feel like throwing money into the digital black hole. After Warmup Inbox works its magic, everything changes. Your emails start landing in the primary inbox where people actually look. Open rates skyrocket because people can finally see your message. Real replies start flowing in because your emails are reaching real people. More sales calls get booked because prospects can actually respond to your outreach. From invisible to unmissable. From ignored to in demand. That's the kind of transformation we're talking about here. You don't have to wait weeks to see results either. Here's how you can achieve fast results starting today. First, sign up for the free 7-day trial and connect your email address. There's no credit card required, so there's literally 0 risk. Second, watch your reputation score climb in the dashboard as the warm-up process begins working. You'll see real-time feedback on how email providers view your sender reputation. Third, after a few days of warming up, run a small test campaign to a handful of prospects. Compare these results to your previous campaigns and prepare to be amazed at the difference in the open rates and replies. Here's what I want you to do right now. Click the link below and start your free 7-day trial with Warmup Inbox. Again, no credit card needed, no complicated setup, just results you can measure immediately. And because you've watched this video, I'm giving you access to my complete AI Business Mastery course completely for free. This course includes over 300 AI prompts designed to help you master artificial intelligence, automate your business processes, and scale your income faster than ever before. This isn't some basic introduction to AI. These are the exact prompts and strategies I use to streamline operations, create better content, and grow revenue. Consider it a gift to help you succeed beyond just fixing your email deliverability. Your email deserves to be seen by the people who need your offer. Stop letting your hard work disappear into the spam folders while competitors steal your potential customers. Let's make sure your messages land exactly where they belong, in the inbox, where they can actually do their job. The tools are here, the trial is free, and the results speak for themselves. Your business growth is waiting on the other side of better email deliverability. Stand solid.